Kindle Paperwhite is known to act up, go slow, and lag, but there's a fix. Let's go, baby. Ain't nothing like a good Kindle Paperwhite video. Am I right or am I right?
First off, guys, the Kindle Paperwhite does lag and freeze from time to time. Boo-hoo. But guess what? It is possible to fix this. There's actually a few ways to do this. For those of you that complain about long, drawn-out videos, you can also see how to fix a slow, laggy Kindle Paperwhite by visiting our resource page. Go get it, girl, faux show.
Girl, faux show.
Now, to see that resource page, visit Google and type Media Peanut followed by why is my Kindle Paperwhite so slow. Should look a little something like this. However, if you don't want to move your thumbs, then you can enjoy the long, boring, drawn-out video. Totally kidding, by the way.
Oh, and don't you dare like, subscribe, or even comment, because, well, we won't be answering them. Oh, and a ho to you too.
White is performing badly, slowly or laggy, then you're in the right spot. In this video, we're going to cover how to fix a slow Kindle Paperwhite, how to make it run faster, and fix other issues like it freezing or not turning on. Older models would ghost images, not connect to the internet, battery would drain quickly, and the device may not have shown the items in the right location in the menu. Luckily, the more recent models and updates to the Kindle devices have fixed most of these issues. However, if you are still having problems with your Kindle or if your Kindle Paperwhite is slow, then we will discuss why it's slow and how you can fix it.
What can you do to fix the Kindle Paperwhite being so slow? The most common fix to a slow Kindle Paperwhite is to restart the device or update it. Many users report that Kindle Paperwhite is slow to respond and takes forever to turn a page of your ebook, or even restart the device. The Kindle Paperwhite is a device that is not made for multitasking. If you only use it for reading, the device would work perfectly and live longer. The post we won't stop talking about in the description explains more in-depth things nobody is mentioning about the Kindle Paperwhite, running slow. It also covers a secret feature. It can handle images and PDFs, but not too many. In this case, you need to check if there is anything running in the background of the device because that could slow it down. Another important factor to consider is if you are trying to download more than one document at once. This would cause the device to slow down and affect its performance. Moreover, if you are downloading documents from sources other than Amazon, this could be difficult for the Kindle to handle and it won't respond optimally. This is not a normal tablet where you can freely use a browser to download documents of any kind.
Now you have two options here. One, you can sit through the next 8 minutes of video like Jabba the Hutt. Or two, in 0.5 seconds you can instantly see the steps and solutions, which is laid out clearly on our website. Go to Google, type Media Peanut, then why is my Kindle Paperwhite slow? Look for the Media Peanut website. You'll be able to instantly see the solution and view all the hard-to-find information you need.
This video will still be available on that page if you need it. Now, when I say the page has everything you need, it really does have everything you need. Go get it, girl, faux show.
Girl, faux show.
If not, our tech expert Roberto Esteban Rojas Fernandez III is going to explain the rest.
How do I fix a slow Kindle Paperwhite?
In case your Kindle Paperwhite slows down and the performance of the device is not what it should be or what it was in the beginning, we have a few tricks you can try. First, try restarting the device.
Hello, it is me again, Roberto. Hihi. I am very sneaky, sir. We go over this in detail on our webpage. The link is in the description and it might be easier to visit the link rather than listen to me.
Many problems can be fixed if you turn the device off and on again. Sometimes we forget to restart electronic devices properly, and that leads to such problems. To restart a Kindle, Just press the power button for approximately 6-7 seconds. On the screen, you will see the option to restart your device. Press it and maybe this will fix the problem. If this does not work, try rebooting your Kindle Paperwhite. To reboot a Kindle, all you have to do is press and hold the power button for 4045 seconds. The device will turn black and then it will restart. If you try this trick, the Kindle will turn off all background activity. Rebooting your device can also help if your device is frozen. Last but not least, you can try updating the software. In most cases, if you are connected to the internet, the device will update the software itself to the latest version. But sometimes this doesn't happen, so you can check. Go to the device's settings by pressing the menu button. Then hit the menu button again to access the settings. In the settings, you may see Update your Kindle. If this option is grayed out, it means you don't have any updates. However, if you can press it, you should be able to update the device. It will take a while, but your device will probably work like new without being slow afterwards. Why is the Kindle so laggy? First, you need to check if your device is trying to download documents. In this case, it all depends on your internet connection. You have probably tried to download a document before and the device had problems with it. So, make sure you have enough space on the device and that you are only downloading ebooks from Amazon. Otherwise, your Kindle won't be able to process and open them as it normally would. Moreover, Kindle Paperwhite is not designed to download many documents at the same time, especially those that require a lot of storage space. Therefore, you might experience delays and performance might not be as usual. How do I make my Kindle run faster, speed up? The first thing you should try is to restart the device because you may have forgotten to turn it off. In such cases, the device simply needs to be restarted in order to work properly. If this is not the case for you, check the settings of your Kindle to see if you have enough free space. If you don't have much free space, you can go to Downloads and get rid of some large files and documents that you no longer need. If any of the previous steps didn't help, check to see if there are updates available for your Kindle Paperwhite. Normally it should do the updates automatically, but sometimes the update will fail if you don't have a stable internet connection. Summary: overall, the Amazon Paperwhite being so slow is usually the result of an older model that is not updated or not upgraded.
Hit the like button if you like my pointless orange vest.
Hit the like button if you like my pointless orange vest better.
Or this shirt.
In conclusion, what can you do to fix the Kindle Paperwhite being so slow? The most common fix to a slow Kindle Paperwhite is to restart the device or update it. Still, many users have reported slow response issues or even freezing. All of these problems can be fixed with a few simple factory reset and additional tricks. Don't forget, more in-depth information on this is also available. In 0.5 seconds you can instantly see the steps and solutions, which is laid out clearly on our website. Go to Google, type Media Peanut, then why is my Kindle Paperwhite slow? Look for the Media Peanut website. You'll be able to instantly see the solution and view all the hard-to-find information you need.
Please subscribe to the channel, my friends. It will help you every day.